Hi besties, good morning and happy Friday. So today is gonna be like spend a little day with me. I feel like I was getting sick last night, or I don't know, my allergies are coming in. But for today's plan, I'm waiting for baby girl to still wake up. I want to go to Old Navy because I heard it's spooky season at Old Navy already, period. And then I want to try to go to Ulta, and then I want to try to go to Discovery. And then I have to go get more milk for the baby. But it's really hard for me to do a lot of things because the baby does not like to be in the stroller or in the cart or in the car seat for a very long time. So we're gonna see how that goes. Right now though, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning. I'm gonna sweep over here in my living room, and then Swiffer, and then go shower, and then I make my coffee. Okay, this is before. My couch needs a good deep cleaning. I don't know why I got a white couch, but anyway, this is before, and this is the after, period. And I did a little Swiffer on the floor. Let's shower before we make our coffee and before baby girl wakes up. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how I do my coffee. I haven't bought pods for this, but we're gonna use this iced one. This is all my like sauces in here, and then my plastic cups. Okay, I think we're gonna do white mocha. So we're just gonna do white mocha in the cup. Just like that, not a lot. And then we're gonna go in with this one. Here we have my tablespoon in there. Sometimes I don't know how much to put in there, but yeah, like that is good. And then we're gonna go put some water and ice and come back. Okay, and then we're gonna do the leftover of this milk. I got this milk from Sam's Club. I'm gonna do this. And then we're going to do cookie dough. This is so good. This. Stir it up a little bit. Taste test. I'm going to drizzle some more on top, just for the aesthetic. And then put the lid on. I got these cups off of Amazon, but I know Walmart has, I guess, a cheaper option from what I've been seeing all over TikTok. Like that. Straw. And then here is my iced coffee for the day. Guys, that cookie dough with the white chocolate mocha. So good, you guys need to try it. I know I need my eyebrows done literally so bad, but I'm just going to moisturize my lips. This is from Revolution Beauty, Makeup Revolution. They had sent me their whole jelly collection. This is a jelly lip oil. Guys, this is so hydrating. If you just need something like on the go, it doesn't give you that much color. Maybe because it's like a really like pinky one. This is in the shade Cherry, but look. So juicy. So about to be on the road to Old Navy first, and then I think we're just gonna go to Discovery and then Jewel. I don't know if I said that already. Make it fast, simple, and then yeah, so let's go. So me and Sophia just finished at Old Navy, bag secured. I don't know if we're gonna go to Discovery or not. I think I might just go to Target. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna go to Discovery. I'd rather just go on my own so I can actually film. But I think we're just gonna go to Target and get her milk. And I think that's all I need from Target. We made it to Target. Getting my milk. And I forgot right here, there's a Starbucks, because I'm gonna show you guys my Starbucks order.
Get started for you today.
Hi, can I do a venti of the iced matcha latte with strawberry cold foam and 2 pumps of vanilla? This is my order. They filled it up, girl, dang. Okay guys, so we're home right now. We're gonna chill out and relax. My girl's gonna come over and cook. We're gonna cook together. Sophia's somewhere. Oh, there she is. Sophia. She's watching Miss Rachel. A haul of what I got for Sophia. I literally got her the cutest stuff. So these shorts were on sale. They have a sale going on right now, like for summer. Back to school. I ended up getting her this sweater. So cute. And I ended up getting her these pajamas. Super cute. It says girls wool. I ended up getting her this sweater. Super cute. It says boo. And then I just got her this princess tee because we're going to Disney. So I'm trying to collect everything princess. And then I got her these little, I forgot, loafers I think they're called. All right, my girl made mole. It's so good, but it's spicy. I made spaghetti rojo for the side. Guys, so that's the end of the vlog. We cooked mole and spaghetti. We ate, we're full. We're just gonna chill, listen to Dada Shark, put Sophia to bed, and yeah, that's about it. Say bye, Rocky.